Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we discussed about WGU Cybersecurity in Houston. So firstly we go on Google and search about WGU Cybersecurity in Houston. So firstly we go on Google. When we go on Google, we searched about WGU Cybersecurity Cybersecurity Security in Houston, 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 Houston. So we clicked on WGU Cybersecurity in Houston. We saw many kind of website named as uhv.edu and Get Cybersecurity Help Now and Western Governor University and you saw this type of interface LinkedIn job business now and Stephen. Firstly we go on www.uhv.edu. So when we clicked on this website we saw this type of interface like this UHV computer information system program. In today's workplace, employers have a great demand and offer excellent job possibilities for people who understand and manage the follow information in the digital medium. UHE master program, master program, UHE master program in computer information system combine these skills and applies them to a business setting to increase your employment opportunities. Master of Science in Computer Information System degree plan operation. Master of Science Computer Information System in Artificial Intelligence. Master of Science in Computer Information System in Cybersecurity. If you want to admission of in this university, you can learn about this jobs and related career. Information technology specialist, consultant, web development manager, network telecommunication manager, database architect, administration system analyst, administrator, lead application program, software project manager, lead MIS technical supervisor, manager, help desk manager, software engineer, computer information technology information. This computer science department is the member of Microsoft Academics Alliance and the Oracle Academic Initiative programs. This gives student opportunity to work with computer industry and stands in software development. Graduate, if you want to get admission UHV, so you can visit this website and get admission. And if you want to learn about more instructions, so you visit about this. We go on, we go on, we go on this website. When we clicked on this website, so we'll learn about WGU cybersecurity in Houston. So website is loaded and loading, and when website is loaded, so we saw any type of interface, and then we learn about this. So we wait. So I am still waiting. Then website load, and we learn about WGU cybersecurity. So wait. I think so. Website is load, so you can read. I also read. Join a new generation of cybersecurity expert. Engineer your future as a sought after cybersecurity specialist with a fully online Master of Science in Cybersecurity degree and exclusive NYU Cyber Fellow Scholarship Program. If you want to apply and get admission, so you can click on this and get services from this. If you, I think so, you learned about WGU cybersecurity in Houston. Uh, you can visit all of this website according to your need. So thank you for watching our video. We will be back in next video.